In the dawn of history, a ring of fire was a talisman against evil. To the fearful, to the superstitious, neither terrors from another world nor fearful denizens of the night could reach you if you were lucky enough to know the magic protection of a ring of fire. Today, there is scientific proof to link the fire ring with protection. Scientific proof that AC fire ring spark plugs promote more sure fire power. And where is this proof to be found? The proof is everywhere. Laboratory proof for the superiority of AC has been compiled by engineers in exhaustive testing of fire ring spark plugs, alone and in comparison with other brands, are checked and rechecked for quality characteristics. In this flexibility test, side electrode wire is checked to assure stability during regapping. For these materials will become part of a flawless design. This configuration is the most efficient flashover path ever built into a spark plug without increasing its length. And this longer path, the longest in the industry, means fewer flashovers, easier starting and smoother performance always, especially in damp climates or during wet weather. Engineered by the team which has conceived virtually all the major advances in spark plug design, the AC team, the fire ring spark plug features a special tip, the exclusive hot tip, the tip known as the ring of fire. The hot tip, a long, deeply recessed tip, thin, 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 so that it heats fast, cools fast. In operation, an AC hot tip instantly reaches temperatures hot enough to burn off or inhibit the formation of combustion deposits, to give the spark plug self-cleaning qualities. But the hot tip cools equally fast to prevent pre-ignition problems. It's the length here which determines the heat range. The longer the tip, the hotter the spark plug. And the hotter the spark plug, the higher the heat range number will be. At the Flint plant, 1 out of every 6 of these highly skilled people is engaged in quality control. Machines may stencil, stamp, or transport the parts of an AC spark plug, but it takes skilled people to make the kind of quality judgments that keep AC on top. People who are proud of the product they produce. People who will tell you AC has only one quality, the best. One name under which it is sold, its own. Such pride and integrity make for tough inspections and better products. So much better that at AC, the only ones that are good enough are perfect. The high dielectric aluminum oxide from which AC's patented insulators are made holds electrical leakage to 0. The aluminum oxide, being molded here under great pressure, takes shape in the grinder and is on its way to the kilns, where the intense, prolonged heat of the great ovens fuses the aluminum oxide into a substance next to a diamond in hardness, unexcelled in its mechanical, thermal, electrical, and chemical properties. These thin, tapered insulators are so strong that with constant pressure they can be driven through a steel plate. As pressure is applied, the underside of the steel plate can be seen in the mirror underneath. With ever-increasing pressure, the plate begins to buckle, and the stronger-than-steel insulator comes through, driven through full quarter-inch steel plate. These insulators are so strong that they will stand up even if, as finished spark plugs, they are pitched into a brick wall. As the distinctive stripes and the AC name go on, the identification number and the heat range classification go on also under the glaze, lasting the life of the spark plug and making replacement with the correct AC fire ring spark plug easier. AC electrodes are made from a special alloy called isovolt, a term to indicate one voltage, a constant sparking voltage. massive, heavier electrodes help explain why AC spark plugs run cooler and wear more slowly, requiring less frequent gap adjustment. Further proof that you get more from the one which gives more, AC. Conductor seal, another technical term, is an AC exclusive process in which the two parts of the center electrode are fused within the insulator in a molten copper glass mixture, which assures efficiency and positive seal through thousands of miles of service. The steel from which AC shells are formed facilitates mass production to precise dimensions. Simultaneous machining actions bring the shell up to a nearly finished state. And then the threads are rolled on. Rolled, not cut. Rolled because rolled threads are smoother, more accurate. Rolled threads assure a better mechanical fit in the ports. And rolled threads have a bonus feature. The rolling process strengthens the spark plug shell. A series of chemical baths lay on a protective, rust-inhibitive new shoe shine. As the gleaming insulator meets that shiny shell, you see the final product, an outstanding spark plug, quality built in at every step in its manufacture. There remains only the exclusive AC heat sealing process, the psycho-weld, which marries shell and insulator into one. And the wedding, appropriately enough, is perpetuated by a ring of fire. Like a heart to the human body, spark plugs provide the pulse of life to an engine. AC fire ring spark plugs are packaged in keeping with that vital function they perform. Packaged individually to indicate their prestige, to protect their precision workmanship, and conveniently boxed in flat packs of 8. The number more than 80% of all customers ask for. In addition to automotive spark plugs, reliable AC is on hand with spark plugs for tractors, lawnmowers, marine engines, and other internal combustion engines. Customers offer proof that AC rates ace high with them by asking for AC spark plugs by name.
ACs, please.
I need a set of ACs.
I'll take ACs.
Thank you. Come in again.
Thank you.
Nah, couldn't have been.
The final proof that AC fire ring spark plugs outperform all others is found here, on the road, in the stop-and-go driving on city streets, where quick starts, smooth idling, and freedom from fouling make AC the leader. And out in those wide-open spaces, where greater passing power and greater gasoline economy make more and more motorists say, it's AC spark plugs.